Look at how she turned that thing up. She ain't playing. Yeah, she love it. All you hear is crunch, 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 crunch. Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Cho Cho. Welcome back to the Pitbull channel. And today we're going to be doing another feeding video. So go ahead and like and subscribe and join the family, because I'm about to give you guys a lot of opinions, a lot of information to help your dog become more healthy. Or if you're having problem with your dogs and the way they eating, I can help you guys out. So first, what I want to talk about is that if you have a healthy dog and your dog normally eats and all of a sudden it stops eating, that means that maybe there's something wrong with it. So after two or 3 days of the dog not eating, maybe you should take the dog to a vet and get your dog checking out. Make sure that she's healthy or he's healthy. Make sure nothing is wrong with her or him. But if that's not the case and your dog normally eats stuff like that we eat, such as cookies, snacks, and stuff like that, or wet dog food, and you give the dog its regular food and it doesn't want to eat, it just means that your dog is a picky eater. That's it. And one way to solve that problem is you have to stop feeding your dog snacks and stuff, household snacks and side meals. You have to mainly get the dog back on the schedule of the dog eating his regular meal each and every single day, and don't stop, because you have to break the habit. Once you break the habit, you will see that the dog will go back to the normal eating stage. Come here, Blue. Sit. Up, sit. Alright, so she's a picky eater. She'll eat a full one day, she'll eat all of it, then the next day she don't want to eat all of it. So the way I broke it was, hey, stop. I know you're hungry. Right now she's hungry, so she's kind of acting up. So the way I feed my dog is I keep her on a raw food diet. And I strictly keep her on that. Sometimes I feed her kibbles, which today I'm going to be feeding her kibbles. I kind of put too much kibbles, but you mainly want a little bit of kibbles, because kibbles come with some great nutrition in it. And some things that raw meat don't give her. But I like the raw meat diet, and I'm going to teach you guys the way I feed her. Last time I showed you guys a different way, but this time I'm going to show you guys a new way. So she already ate before, as you can see. Hey, sit. Blue. Come on, sit. See, she's hungry. So this is the food that I normally feed her. So it's half food that I already gave her in the morning. I fed her breakfast in the morning. So it's basically ground meat, chicken, and kibbles. It kind of look rough because this is the same food that she ate in the morning. She ain't finished eating it. So normally I put 2 or 3. Doesn't matter, because sometimes she'll eat 3, sometimes she'll eat 4. And basically, you want this. If your dog is seriously underweight, you want some of this. And it'll really help put weight on the dog. So you pour some on the meat. I usually just pour it on the part that I know she will eat the most. And as you can see, I know my dog. My dog is a raw meat diet only dog. She'll eat the meat before she eat the kibble. As you can see, she left behind the kibble this morning, and she'll eat the meat. So I know my dog, which is why I mainly put the dime on top of the meat, because I know she's going to eat the meat. And then, depending on what type of dogs you have, but it's good for any type of dog, I feed her Bully Max, because I'm really trying to put some muscles on her. Even though I haven't started working her out yet, I'm trying to wait till she get to the right age before I start working her out. So, since she's a puppy, put this right here. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah, you hungry, ain't you? Alright, I feed her half a kibble. I usually feed her Bully Max to help her with the weight gain, and I also put a little muscle on her. But I'm taking it slow because right now I'm not working her out yet. I'm waiting until she get a little older. And right now she's only 5 months. So I'm waiting until she get at least a year old. Let her develop more before I actually start working her out. So you put half a pill, or you can put a whole, depending on how big your dog is. And you guys gonna see how good she do. And I guarantee you, like I say, I know my dog. I guarantee you that she leaves behind the dry food and eat the meat. Watch. All right, come on, little Cage. Come on, Cage. So I normally put her inside her cage, cause when she eat food, like chicken and stuff like that, she wanna drag it everywhere, and I'm not gonna deal with that. You know what I'm saying? Man, look at how she tearing that thing up. She ain't playing. Yeah, she love it. All you hear is crunch, 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 crunch. And this is how you want your dog to eat. See how she leaving behind all the kibbles, but going straight after the meat. Another one. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. So this is how much she ate. She ate 2, and she also ate some of the dog food. I'm surprised. I'm surprised with you, baby girl. Come on, you can get her. Good job. Come on. Surprised. You need to also get her a bigger cage. You know what I'm saying? So she eating. So most likely I'm gonna be saving this for tomorrow. Or I might feed her something else. I might feed her some beef kidney or some beef heart. Or just some regular ground beef, depending on how I'm feeling tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But this is how you want your dog. You know what I'm saying? This is how you put weight on your dog. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Yeah, you pretty. Good job. Alright, go ahead and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you want to, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and join the family.